Hello. So it has been a while since I've done one of these, and I already have makeup on. No, this is not a separate intro where this is the makeup look you are going to get today. However, I am thinking of doing a series that has to do with the look I have on today. I'm thinking of doing a series where each eye look is based off colors from the zodiac colors. Like today is Leo. I went with golds. Yesterday I did Cancer, and that one was blue for water, and then silver for new beginnings, all that fun stuff. So let me know down in the comments if that's something you're interested in seeing. We're gonna go into today's video. So today's video is gonna be a little different. I have the January BoxyCharm in front of me, and I know it's after everything, I have my Secret Santa from a makeup group, and I know it's after Christmas. We communicated, it's okay. We did talk about all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna unbox these and we will have fun. So first things first, I'm gonna go with BoxyCharm. Let's see. Now, BoxyCharm did send me an email saying that I received something I have previously received in my box before. So they're shipping me something separate, but it's Boxy and Chill for the theme. Okay. So first up, I have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. And that is this one. I'm actually really excited. I don't have any of these, so I'm pretty excited about that. And these are great everyday colors, actually. And this comes with some little eye looks, 2 little eye looks. Okay, so that's nice. I'm excited about that. As you know, I've been using quite a bit of Tarte. I've been using the primer, the concealer, I have a setting spray, I have the Tarte Man Eater mask eyeliner. I do like Tarte, so I'm excited about this. This is the Star Looks eyeliner. I'm not excited, but not unexcited. So, here we go. Ofra lipstick, and this is actually a shade I will wear, so I'm very excited. This is Havana Nights. Okay. Yeah, that is definitely a shade I'll wear, so I am very, very excited about that. I love Ofra products. Oh, there it is. Okay. The Be Don't Despair Repair by Briogeo. I have nothing negative to say about this. I'm excited to see what they send me in place of it, though. But I have nothing negative to say. I really like this. And then last but not least, I have 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. After this video, I'm actually going to use one of these and go watch Grey's Anatomy. Let's do this. You know, now, Secret Santa. I'm not going to show you the front because it not only has my address, but it has her address as well. My goodness, she really took this thing, let me tell you. I'm like trying to be careful about how I open it because I don't know what's in here. I don't want to stab anything in here. Okay, so I have a card. Oh, she got me a Sephora gift card. I love her. Oh, I love this girl. Okay, so I'm excited about this. I work right down the street from Sephora. So me and Sephora are becoming very, very good friends. Oh, I totally needed a new makeup bag, y'all. I'm not even kidding you. Oh, Doodle. So last box swap I did with this makeup group, story time. I'm going to be someone's present today. Last box swap I did with this makeup group, I did a live unboxing with my dog. And everything I pulled out, my dog was like taking. He was like, it's mine. It's mine. So she included a little toy for Doodle. Doodle, someone got you a toy. Watch how excited he is. Look, Doodle. Say hi, Mac. Someone got you a toy. And there he goes. Now he's uninterested in everything happening. Chocolate and peanut butter. Oh, I have a pit bull too. And Doodle is not interested in sharing his toy right now. It's adorable. Okay. Oh, okay. So I haven't had the gummy llamas, but I'm super excited because I love everything probably Sour Bites. I have a bag by my bed that I hide from my husband. What else? Let's see. Sockies. I have sockies. I need socks. I don't do laundry. Okay, that's a lie. I do laundry. I just really hate doing laundry. I got more hairbands. A girl can never have enough hairbands, y'all. Let me tell you, I have a little container that was at one point overflowing, and now it's almost empty. It's dangerous. Okay, now I'm unwrapping things. I'm putting bows on top of my head because I want to be a present. Wait, no, hold on. There's a bow here. Yes. This is happening. Are they falling off my head? I feel like they are. Okay. Oh, no. If I break a nail. How'd you break a nail, Blake? Who's unwrapping things? Oh, my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm breaking my nail, I can tell. Okay, Tarte. I love Tarte, as we can tell so far. Okay, and this is the shade Clueless. This is a metallic eyeshadow. Ooh, okay. That is so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, okay. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch it because that is... Oh my God. I'm super excited because up until now, I've never tried Tarte eyeshadows. So I am super excited. And she knew I was going cruelty free, which is part of the reason my Secret Santa is just now happening. Wait. Tarte. Dude, me and this girl. Let me tell you. I'm pretty sure this girl and I are like made to be because she's Tarte obsessed and I'm slowly becoming Tarte obsessed. And that is, and their packaging is just so cute. Okay, this is called Blush and Glow. That is so pretty. Okay. And that's totally a blush I will use. Yes. Okay, highlighter. Okay, I am so excited about this. So our limit, I don't even want to say our limit, but we were doing like $50 and I may have gone over. And clearly she went over, so I don't feel as bad. Ooh, okay, so I'm excited about this. I've heard good things about this, but I've never tried it. And because she's a member of BoxyCharm too, when we got the It Superhero mascara, I was like, ew, I don't like it. So I gave it away. But I am in need of a mascara, and now I have the Tarte mascara. This packaging, though, their packaging's amazing. That one. Okay, I am so excited to play with this. And it looks so pretty with all my makeup. It is just so pretty. Okay, hold on. Lord have mercy. Okay, so I did know one thing I was getting because she warned me that the dog ate the package to it. And I was like, I'm okay with it, whatever, blah, 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 because I have wanted this shade and I can't find this shade and blah, 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 blah. This is a Sea Siren from Stila. Can we just admire? Oh, it's like blue and purple and gorgeous. And it's just, oh, I'm so excited. She knows me. And when I was going cruelty-free, okay, last thing. When I was going cruelty-free, what was this? Oh, this is I was really concerned because I am obsessed with the Stila liquid shadows, guys. Like, obsessed. And I have a Morphe. Okay, this is the Blend the Rules 9C. Open. Ooh. This is a very, very pretty. I am very excited for this. I look... First of all, my makeup has been on for like 13 hours. And I'm actually... I can use this for a lot of looks, but that's not why I'm looking at this. I look like a total tool right now. Okay, but I'm very excited about this. My hand. I can't stop looking at my hand because this is just stunning. And this is, and it's so soft and silky and smooth. It's just, oh, stunning. Okay, so I'm really excited. I need to shoot her a huge thank you because this girl hit it out of the park. I have a feeling when I take these bows off, I'm gonna rip hair out too. I didn't think that plan through, but I am super excited. And I absolutely love, as I knock over like half my makeup, I love this bag. It is adorable. Oh, and it's by Tarte. I'm just becoming a spoiled little Tarte brat. Now I'm going to put all my cute little Tarte things in here because I can. I'm also going to put some Morphe in there because who cares? You let me be me. Just let me live my best life. I am super excited. And I'm actually going to go eat these right now because I am hungry. I'm trying to like clean up as I go, and as you can tell, I'm not very good at life right now. Like, I just got off work and I'm like sitting here saying I want to go watch Grey's Anatomy, but I don't know if it's on Hulu yet. I don't think it uploads to Hulu until like 4 a.m. But yes, thank you for joining me. Ow. Okay, I am pulling hair out. You know what? Whatever. I'm just gonna live my best life. I'm just gonna live my best life. And this is me living my best life. Dressed up like a present. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me. I'm so excited to go play in all of this. I really, really do appreciate the fact that she included my dog because I can hear him. I'm sure you can hear him in my bedroom with the squeaky toy going squeak, 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 squeak. And I spoke too soon because now he's at my lap, which tells me the big dog took it. But I really, all right, hold on. He wants to come say goodbye. I really appreciate her including him. Hey, her including him in this box because he loves getting presents. He does, don't you? You love getting presents, huh? I know, I love you too. So I really appreciate her including him. That squeaky toy is going to be going all night long. I already know. I know. She got you a toy. No. You don't need to get on my makeup desk. Doesn't this look comfortable? Because it's not. Okay, I need to put, okay. Well, if y'all want to see the whole Zodiac themed eyeshadow looks, let me know in the comments down below. In the meantime, me and Mr. Doodle Noodle over here are going to call it a night. I'm going to go wash my face and edit the 4 videos I need to edit. I keep filming and I'm not editing. That's going to be a problem. My very photogenic dog is like, yes, look at me. Look at me. That is my bow. Do you want a bow? Here's a bow for you. Now you're someone's present. Well, he doesn't want to be someone's present. Thank you guys for joining me, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.